Hi everyone, I am going to make a bouquet. To make a bouquet, first we need flowers. To make flowers, we need glue, scissors and color papers. First, we are going to cut this color paper into squares. We have cut the color papers into squares. Now we should make a flower. First, we fold it like this. Then we fold it again. Then we fold it like this. Now we have made a curve here. Now we should cut through this. Now we have cut and kept squares. Now these are the flowers. Now we have cut some petals. First, we didn't cut any petals. Second, we cut one petal. Third, we have cut two petals. Fourth, we have cut three petals. And fifth, we have cut four petals. Now we have to stick them together. The first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Now we have to take the petals which we have cut from the other flower and stick them together. Now we are sticking all of the flowers together. Now we have made a beautiful flower. We have made different color flowers. Now I have made cone shape. Now I should stick the flowers on it. Now we will stick the flowers on the cone.